How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the error when Minecraft Bedrock Edition is telling you it is unable to connect to a world. So there are a couple ways that you can do this. So let's just go to, one thing that you can do is go ahead and quit the game. Just go ahead and close out the game, load it back in. Go ahead and try to join the world again. If that does not work, something that you can do is go to your own world. One second. Go to one of your own worlds and load that in. Load into one of your own worlds. Go ahead and do that. And as soon as you load in to it, what you will do is you'll go ahead and back out again and go ahead and do that. If that doesn't work, what you can do is make sure that your settings are correct. Make sure multiplayer settings are correct. And that you're able to join and stuff like that. So another thing that you can do as well is go to your, make sure your internet connection is good and everything like that. Make sure your NAT type. Sometimes if it's strict, it won't allow you to join multiplayer games and stuff like that. But yeah, those should fix the problem. If not, make sure that you have a strong connection and stuff like that, and just restart the game. And eventually you should be able to get into those worlds. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. Just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.